Today I try my best to show you how I use the live loop video. Search Streamlabs. Then click this Streamlabs OBS, yes. Then click download. Click save. Wait until completed. Then if all is completed, then click yes, click agree, click install, click finish. So here we go, the left side, go to settings, click login, click the YouTube sign, log into your account, mute both of this mic here. You have to on this one, click and on. Make it sure here is on. And this one, click the plus sign, alright, number 1, and then okay. Then click plus sign, click media source, and then okay. So click loop, browse, click browse. Then select which video you like, you want to loop to your live. Then click finish, okay. You can drag your video if you like to small or a big. Sorry, I just try my best. And then go live. So here, click title, which title you like to write for your video. Then click thumbnail, select which thumbnail, click privacy, public or private, or yeah. And then go live. If all is set, go live. And then, if all is set, go live. Then open another browser. Go to your main account, YouTube main account. So there you go. Thank you.